Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are welcome again to AL-AYYÜBY channel. Today we want to take lesson 9 الدرس التاسع from the book دروس اللغة العربية لغير الناطقين بها. Here they want to teach us how to use some adjectives in Arabic. Just as I said in one of my previous videos that if you want to learn the Arabic language in the easy way, what you do is first start with nouns. Master several nouns, then you master several adjectives. Once you are able to master them, you'll be combining the nouns and the adjectives you have memorized and mastered. You'll be combining them to make simple sentences in Arabic. We have man hadha. As you know, man means who. Man hadha, who is this? But in this case now, you notice that a rajul follows it. If you can remember in one of my previous lessons, I mentioned that when hadha is followed by a nakira, an indefinite noun, when hadha is followed by an indefinite noun, it is forming a sentence. If you say hadha rajulun, this is a man, it is a complete sentence. Hadha rajulun, this is a man. But in a situation whereby we say hadha rajulu, hadha rajulu, followed by ma'rifa, which is a definite noun, then it is a phrase. Hadha rajulu, hadha rajulu, this man. So you see the difference between the two now. Hadha rajulun, this is a man. Hadha rajulu, this man. When we now say man hadha rajulu, it now means who is this man. That means hadha and rajulu, they are together. Hadha rajulu, this man. Man, who is hadha rajulu, this man. I hope you get the difference. There is difference between hadha rajulu, this man, and hadha rajulu, this man. Man hadha rajulu, who is this man? Huwa Abbasun, he is Abbas. He is Abbas. Abbasun tajirun. Abbas is a businessman or trader. If the person we are referring to is a feminine, we say hiya. Then we add a ta marbuta to the end of tajirun to make it tajiratun. Abbasun tajirun. For instance, if it were Fatima, we will say hiya Fatimatu. Fatimatu tajiratun. Tajiratun. Then you notice that the noun Abbas is taking a dhamma, likewise the adjective tajirun. So because subjects and their complements are both in the position of subject, this is a teacher. The teacher is this. Adi is the teacher. The teacher is Adi. They are the same person. The same thing happens in Arabic. Abbas is the tajir, and the tajir is Abbas. Therefore, when Abbas is taking a dhamma, tajirun is also taking a dhamma. Abbasun tajirun. Abbas is a trader, a businessman. Abbasun tajirun ghaniyun. Abbasun tajirun ghaniyun. Abbas is a rich trader. Now they are giving it an adjective to describe who Abbas is. They have stated that Abbas is a trader, then they are adding a quality, they are adding an attribute, they are adding an adjective. What is now the adjective? Ghaniyun, rich, wealthy. Rich and wealthy, we use ghaniyun. Abbasun tajirun ghaniyun. Abbas is a rich trader. Hamidun mudarrisun. Hamid is a teacher. If the person is a feminine, we will say mudarrisatun, adding ta marbuta. Hamidun mudarrisun. Hamid is a teacher. Had it been Hamidun al-mudarrisu, we would say Hamid the teacher. But here it is Hamidun mudarrisun. A complement will be nakiro. It will be nakiro, that is indefinite. Hamidun mudarrisun. Hamid is a teacher. But when used as an appositive or as a phrase, it will be ma'rifa, definite. Then it is not making a sentence in that case. Hamidun mudarrisun jadidun. Hamid is a new teacher. Hamidun, mudarrisun, jadidun. They are adding another adjective here. Jadidun, new. Jadidun means new. But you notice something common to all these adjectives. One, they are qualifying nouns of the same haraka. Yes, when the noun you are qualifying with an adjective is taking a doma, the adjective will also take a doma. As we have mudarrisun, jadidun, tajirun, ghaniyun. They are both taking doma. Also, when the noun is feminine, the adjective will also be feminine. When masculine, masculine. Mudarrisun, jadidun. Another thing is that, unlike in English, where the adjective will come before the noun, it modifies. Here, an adjective qualifies. It comes after the noun. Mudarrisun jadidun, new teacher. If it were in English, we would say new before we say teacher. New is the adjective, teacher is the noun. But here, mudarrisun, which is the noun, comes before jadidun, which is the adjective. Ma hadha, what is this? Hadha tufahun, this an apple. Atufahu, the apple, or you say apple. Apple, fakihatun lazizatun, is a sweet fruit, is a delicious fruit. Lazizatun, fakihatun means fruit. The plural is fawakihu. Lazizatun means sweet or delicious, depending on what you are referring to. If it is something that can be tasted, we say lazizatun means sweet. And if it's a kind of food, a meal prepared, we say delicious. It depends. Fakihatun lazizatun is a sweet fruit. Ma zalika, what is that? Don't forget that hada means this and zalika means that. Ma zalika, what is that? Zalika usfurun, that is a pigeon. Pigeon, a small bird, is called usfurun, pigeon. Al-usfur, the pigeon, ta'irun saghirun, is a small bird. Is a small bird. Is a small bird. Small bird. You will see, ta'irun is a bird. Is nakira because it's a compliment. Saghirun is an adjective to it. So the noun being qualified with an adjective and the adjective, they will take the same thing. If the noun ta'irun that is being qualified with saghirun, if the noun is taking a fatha, saghirun will also be saghirun. If it is taking a kasra, it will also be saghirin. Also, if it is taking alif and lam, it will also take alif and lam. If it is feminine, it will also be feminine. Al-Arabiyyatu, Arabic language, lughatun sahlatun, is a simple language. Simple, sahlatun. If it is masculine, we will say sahlun. But because it is feminine, we say sahlatun. Lughatun sahlatun. Lughatun is the noun being qualified here, and it is feminine because of the ta marbuta. Therefore, the adjective will also take a ta marbuta. Lughatun sahlatun. Al-Arabiyya, lughatun jamilatun. Al-Arabiyya, Arabic, is a beautiful language. Jamilatun means beautiful. If it is masculine, we say jamilun. But now that it is feminine, we say jamilatun. Ammarun, Ammar, talibun mujtahidun, is a hard-working student. Talibun means student. Mujtahidun means hard-working. Is a hard-working student. Wa Mahmudun, and Mahmud, talibun kaslanu, is a lazy student, opposite to mujtahidun. Kaslanu means lazy. Man anta, who are you? Ana talibun, I am a student. If the person is feminine, you will say ana talibatun. A anta, are you? Talibun jadidun, a new student. Naam, yes, ana talibun jadidun, I am a new student. So far in this lesson, we've been able to master certain words which will enrich our vocabulary bank. One of them is tajirun, a trader. Ghaniyun, rich. Jadidun, new. Tufahun, apple. Fakihatun, fruit. Lazizatun, sweet or delicious. Usfurun, pigeon. Ta'irun, a bird. Saghirun, small or young, depending on what you are qualifying. Sahlatun, simple or easy. Jamilatun, beautiful. Mujtahidun, hardworking. Kaslanu, lazy, and so on. Also, we've learned that an adjective in Arabic, it takes the same haraka as the noun it qualifies. If the noun takes a doma, it also takes a doma. Fatha, fatha. Kesro, kesro. Also, when the noun takes alif and lam, the adjective also takes alif and lam. When the noun is feminine, the adjective also is feminine. When masculine, masculine. So you can go through this exercise. Muhammadun talibun qadimun. Muhammad is an old student. Qadimun, that's another adjective. Qadimun means old. So you see now, hadha darusun sahlun. Number 3. Hadha darusun sahlun. This is a simple or an easy lesson. Darusun is the noun being qualified here. Sahalun is now the one we are using as an adjective for it. Sahalun is masculine here, not taking the ta, because darusun, which is the noun it qualifies, is neither taking a ta. It is not a feminine. That's why sahalun is also not a feminine. We also have here number 4. Abbasun tajirun shahirun. Abbas is a trader. Then shahirun, that's the adjective. What is the meaning of shahir? Popular or famous. Is a popular trader. Bilal, muhandisun kabir. You can underline the word muhandis as well. Engineer. So al-Ingliziyya lugatun sa'batun. Sa'batun means difficult or hard. So faqirun, ana rajulun faqirun. I'm a poor man. That is the opposite of ghaniyun. So with this, we are enriching our vocabulary bank. Al-Qahiratu Madinatun Kabirun. Qahira, that is Cairo, is a big city. Qadimun again here. So that's how we learn new words and we are able to use them in sentences. They want you to attempt this exercise as well. You are to insert suitable adjectives. Khadijatu talibatun. Khadijat is a student. Which kind of student? You have to provide an adjective. Talibatun mujtahidatun, for example, is a serious student, a hard-working student. Al-Arabi, okay, Khalidun, tajirun, tajirun kini. You mention what it is. Al-Arabiyyatu lugatun what? Al-Usfuru ta'irun. So you add adjectives to the ends of these expressions. So I would like us to take the new words before we go. Al-Kalimatul Jadida, new words. Al-Logo, language. At-Ta'iru, bird. When you add a ta to its end, it becomes at-Ta'iru, to aeroplane. You can revisit my lesson on aeroplane. Jaw'an, that is hungry. Godban, angry. Shahirun, popular or famous. Al-Yawma, today. Al-Yawma, it will take a fatha, today. Atoshanu, thirsty. Al-Usfur, pigeon, small bird. Al-Madinatu, city. Al-Madinatu can mean Al-Madinatul Munawwara, the Medina that we know. But initially, when we say Al-Madina, it means the city. Kaslanu, lazy. Mal'anu, full. When something is filled to the brim, filled to the brim, to the peak, filled up. So the thing is full. Mal'an. Al-Yawma, today. Today. Okay, this one is taking a fatha. It's the one they aim to mean today. But al-yawmu means day. Al-yawmu, the day. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share. Comment, like.